Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with safety and measurement. Do this now. Park the vehicle level, set the brake, and confirm fuel tank access. Once done, verify battery voltage with a multimeter and connect an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner or test harness to the gauge circuit. You should record the displayed level and a physical reference. Mark tank stop positions at 1/4, 1/2, and full. This ensures you have objective checkpoints, and you can compare sender response to instrument cluster readings while you proceed. You now focus on matching sender output to the gauge. Remove the access panel or lower the tank per the manual and inspect the float arm and contacts. Once exposed, measure sender resistance or voltage at known liquid levels, 1/4 and 1/2, then compare those values to manufacturer specs. While doing this, watch the scanner's live data and the instrument cluster simultaneously. If resistance is off, gently bend float arm or replace the sender. If wiring is noisy, secure grounds and connections. You finish by reassembling, clearing codes, and initiating any ECU relearn procedures specified by the maker. Turn the key to the on position and follow the relearn steps. Some systems need a full tank cycle or a sequence of key positions to calibrate. Once done, test drive and verify readings across empty, 1/4, 1/2, and full markers. If readings remain wrong, check the common failure points: poor ground, corroded connectors, damaged harness, or an ECU that needs a software relearn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.